All of you. Yes, today we are going to learn new poem from your unit 3, that is lesson number 18, growing up. It is one of the poem. So growing means what? When you grow up, that time some changes happens in your body, in your language, yes, in your speaking skill. So many things has changed when we grown up. Okay, so here is the two examples they gave us of the growing up poem. So see, first one is Mr. Thomas Frog, means first one example is about the frog, and second one is the butterfly. So before we see these examples, we will see ourselves. Okay, so see, when you was a child, when you born, that times you was a baby. So that time see which things you know, and now when you are in 4th standard, that times you have some changes, that when you born, that times you can't speak, is no, you couldn't speak, you couldn't walk, but now you can speak, you can read, you can write, you can eat, all the things you can do. It means what? When you grown up, that time some changes happens in ourselves. Okay, so today we are going to see this poem growing up. First of all example they gave us about the frog, and second one is the butterfly, which changes happens in the frog and the butterfly when they grown up. Okay, so let's see the poem. First one poem we will see first, Mr. Thomas Frog. So first I will read the whole poem, and then after I will explain you this poem. So see, unit 3, 18 number lesson, growing up. First poem, that is Mr. Thomas Frog. So see, little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail, for little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail, and his mother didn't know him as he wept upon a log, for he wasn't Tommy Tadpole but Mr. Thomas Frog. And this poem has written by C.J. Dennis. Okay, so see, first one stanza, little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail. Okay, weep means चीखना and wail means जोर जोर से रोना. So little Tommy Tadpole, actually the tadpole means the young one of frog, it's called tadpole. So this little Tommy, here you can see the picture of tadpole. See, this is a Tommy. Okay, little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail. Why he was crying? Because for little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail, means when the frog gave the birth to his baby, that times he has a tail, but when he grown up, that times he lost his little tail, and therefore this Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail. देखो फर्स्ट स्टैंजा में बताया गया है कि जो टेडपोल है, टेडपोल यानी फ्रॉग के बच्चे को टेडपोल बोलते हैं. तो जो फ्रॉग का बच्चा है वो जैसे ही पैदा होता है तो उसको पूंछ होती है छोटी सी, टेल मीन्स व्हाट, पूंछ, और जैसे जैसे वो बड़ा होता जाता है, ग्रो होता है, वैसे वैसे उसकी जो लिटिल टेल है वो लॉस्ट हो जाती है. ओके, गल जाती है, निकल जाती है, क्योंकि अभी आपने फ्रॉग देखा तो फ्रॉग को टेल होती है क्या? नहीं होती है, बट द यंग वन ऑफ फ्रॉग हैज़ द टेल. ओके, अंडरस्टूड द फर्स्ट स्टैंजा. एंड देयरफॉर दिस लिटिल Tommy Tadpole began to cry because he was crying because he lost his little tail. So that explained in first stanza. Now see the second stanza. So for second stanza, here you can see the picture. And his mother didn't know him as he wept upon a log, for he wasn't Tommy Tadpole but Mr. Thomas Frog. So see here, and his mother didn't know him. So at the in this picture you can see here is the mother of, at behind this Mr. Thomas Frog there have one his mother, and she didn't know that why he is crying. So see, he wept upon a log. See here, he was crying on a log. Log means a piece of wood. Here you can see the picture of piece of wood. So that this Tommy Tadpole, he began to weep and wail upon a log, and the mother didn't know that why he was crying, for he wasn't Tommy Tadpole but Mr. Thomas Frog. Means when he cries upon that log, when he grown up, that times he was not a tadpole, he was a Mr. Thomas Frog. जब वो रो रहा था, जब वो बड़ा हो गया, तब भी वो टैडपोल नहीं था, वो कौन बन गया? मिस्टर थॉमस फ्रॉग बन गया. मीन्स दिस इज इन दिस पोएम मिस्टर थॉमस फ्रॉग. टैडपोल से थॉमस फ्रॉग, टॉमी टैडपोल से थॉमस फ्रॉग कैसे बन गया, ये सब दिया है. मीन्स दिस इज द ग्रोन अप स्टेज ऑफ फ्रॉग. ओके, अंडरस्टूड द फर्स्ट पोएम, that is Mr. Thomas Frog. I hope you understood it. Next one is the butterfly.